Floating ideas, it's my way of giving back to the open community, if that's an expression. If not, just made it up. It's about making life easier, simpler, more economical and green. That's about it really. I'm doing this as a hobby, so I have limited time to do it. So it takes time to make the videos and actually come up with the ideas and test them out. There may be gaps in between posting videos, so it might be worthwhile actually signing up and get a warning of when the actual videos appear. And don't forget to let me know if you've actually tried any of the ideas or you've come up with them yourselves and actually made things that work. That would make it really worthwhile for me, because it's all about trying to help other people. So if I know people out there doing things, that's great, and even if it's something I haven't done and it's something you've done and you want to talk about, that's fine. So until the next time, it's ta-ra from me, and thanks for watching.